I got the rare chance to interview Prince Sicalo, who gave us more insight on life as a prince.
I balance my day with the military work and some national duties. So in the military, I'm a major right now. I joined the army since 2007. I started off in Libya doing my training there as a cadet, and then I returned back home, went to the Air Force Academy and did a bit of some training there. I fly helicopters. That's my passion.
Royal families and monarchies are seen to be an old traditional way of ruling, especially in Africa. How do you manage to still stay connected to the young people who are very trendy in this day and age?
We have traditions in the kingdom. We have traditional events that take place. Our traditional events incorporate both the young and the old. So we've got the reed dance. I think everybody's quite familiar with the reed dance.
Very famous.
Yeah, and we have a lot of tourists that actually do come for that event. I've got my own foundation, the Sicalo Foundation, that I'm running, and I do a lot of work out in the communities, especially in the primary schools and some of the high schools. We are mostly working together with them.
So is this more about empowerment?
Empowerment and alleviation of poverty in the kingdom, because we do try to give teachings and to those out there on how to take care of themselves and how to take care of the homestead.
For the prince, being brought up in royalty, closer to his father, King Mswati III, has taught him lessons in leadership.
His Majesty has taught us very well to be very humble, very humble and very welcoming. As I said earlier, that always give an ear to the next person who wants to say something, listen to them, give advice where you can give advice. If you cannot give advice, don't try.
What's your favorite food?
Favorite food is my traditional food, and sour milk is very much a delicacy.
Ah yes, I've talked to so many people and everybody's just mentioning the sour milk.
Yeah, sour milk, and you get your free-range chicken that is just out in the homesteads instead of this genetically grown chickens.
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much, His Royal Highness Prince Sicalo, for agreeing to do this interview with the BBC.